Hi, welcome to ehypscript.com. In this video I'll teach you how you can make this website. Okay, so this script and many script I give free on my website. You can download it or access it, or you can make website. Okay, so for that you should register on my website and download those free file. Okay, then watch the video till end and then you can install yourself the script too easily. Okay, my English is bad, please understand from yourself, just check on my website. Okay, so simple, it is my own client website, so I use it for demo purpose. Okay, so first I open the domain, there are nothing. Okay, so what should to do now? Just click on file manager, it will open a new tab. Okay, then go to public HTML, very easy to install. Okay, if you don't understand after watch the video, I suggest you watch again and again till you don't understand. Okay, so then after click public HTML folder, then click on upload. Okay, then again open a new tab. Here have a option drag file here to start uploading or select file. So click on select file and choose the file. Okay, script file. So I choose the script file, or here it is uploading and it is 100% complete. Okay, if showing that, then click on go back button. Okay, that click on, and after click on you redirect to public HTML folder, then just extract the zip file, nothing else. After the extract zip file, you can delete the script zip file, no need it now. Okay, so nothing need to edit or need to do anything in those file, just extract it and reload your website. Okay, if you not reload, because it is my fault, domain fault. Okay, sorry, because my domain something have wrong. Okay, I will open it a new private window. Okay, I click on it and you can see the website is fully loaded and fully installed. Okay, something happened wrong on that tab, that's why I faced that. Okay, successfully installed, done. You can add here some banner ads. Okay, and here are everything you can check. If you want to edit something, I will tell you how you can edit. Okay, so go back to file manager. Okay, if you want to edit something in home page, that call home page, because we have home page. If you click on referral, that this is a referral page. Okay, it is reloading. Okay, this is referral page. Okay, so first check which page you have, or which page you want to edit something. Okay, so I need to edit something home page. If you want to edit something in home page, so home page path is index.html. Okay, so I will find the index.html path, I mean file. Okay, that's called index.html. they are the file. Just click on it, right click or edit, you can choose anything, edit or edit HTML. Okay, I choose edit, then I click on edit, it will open a new tab. Okay, there have everything. If you want to change anything, you can change from here. Okay, first I checking here if not opening, so I open the private tab again. I want to change something here. What is that? I want to change that. Okay, that country visitor. Okay, so the source code from supercounter.com. hope you see here supercounter.com. okay, we'll find that in bottom. Here you can see the code powered by supercounter.com. if you delete that code from there to there. Okay, then just save changes. If we reload the website here, if we reload now, the country visitor counter are not showing there, okay, because we delete it. So that's way you can edit anything, like double top Bitcoin here 2018. Okay, I just copy it, go to file, here have a option search button, click on it, paste the code here you can see double top Bitcoin. You can put here your website name, hypescript.com. I put here 2020. Okay, save changes, reload. Okay, check here, ehypescript.com 2020. Okay, the same way I can change anything, like here have support @bitcoin.online. okay, so that option have top section, then bottom, then footer. Okay, so I go to top option, here have the check support @bitcoin.online. if I want to change here, you can change it from to your domain. Okay, paste here, save changes. Okay, reload. If we check now, the email address changed. Okay, next I want to change something. I'll show you. I copy some random address. Okay, this is a random address. I just copy it and try to logging into account section. I will choose on Bitcoin. I click on invest now. Okay, they are showing a address that is not your address, also that is not your address. Okay, how you can change that? Okay, or if you want to change the text, you can also change. Okay, for that you should check the URL first. Okay, in the deposit section the URL is submit.html. okay, submit.html. so we should find that first, submit.html, submit.html, edit it. Okay, edit it. Okay, so now we find the text, send Bitcoin to. Okay, send Bitcoin to, copy it, go to find manager, send Bitcoin to this address. Just change the address to your address. I copy the random address, paste here. Okay, again there are a option second address. Okay, look the second address. For example, if you send, then second address. Okay, if you can check here, see here, for example, if you send 2 BTC, then second address. I also change it. Okay, or I want to change the Bitcoin amount, like for checking 10 BTC, then save changes. If I reload the website now, you can see our address are showing on both section, and here 10 BTC. Okay, that way you can change any text or address. Okay, if you want to buy anything paid, you can visit our website ehypescript.com, or you can talk to directly in Telegram or email ID. Thank you.